Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and who's been shopping? I've been shopping. So yeah, went to HobbyCraft and got some goodies. Saw lots and lots of goodies. Didn't buy them all. I think I would have definitely ended up on Skid Row. I could have easily ended up on Skid Row. But got quite a lot of nice bits and pieces to show you. So if you haven't already, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Set it to all, then you'll be informed when there are videos and live streams. Because a lot of people are not getting the notifications, but they probably didn't hit all. So definitely hit the all, otherwise you could be disappointed. So I got this bag. This is actually just my shopping bag. It came with my, well actually no, I think I bought it when I bought my handbag. It's a little raggedy one, it's kind of cute, got little doggies on it. And here's the other one. So as you can see, there was a great deal of restraint. I only got a bag and a bit, really. Did you see it? Did you see what I got? So start with then, did you guess? Did you kind of have a look and think, I bet she got that, I bet she got that? I didn't. I've got my glasses. I think they're in the bottom of this bag, so it's a good job that I start with this one. Now, I got a couple more of these, but they're actually in the bedroom. They fell out the bag and I left them behind. But they are James C. Brett Baby Marble, and I absolutely loved this colour. But quite a lot of the yarns that I have that I really liked, say from the Poundland yarns, I've got this marble. It's just like a white part of the yarn. So as you say, half the thread is the colour and half is white, and that produces this really cool marbling effect. But it's 100% acrylic and machine washable, and it's a DK weight, which is a 3 weight in the US. So we've got 268 meters in this and 293 yards, but I just loved these colors. It does have more colors in. If you can see through there, you start to see some pinks. Well, actually it's a kind of a lilac color. It's very bright light. Let me turn it down a little bit, see if that makes any difference. Not sure if it will. But yeah, it's got lilac. There's the lilac in there. Yay, there it is. So yeah, it's got some pretty colours. So I got 4 of those and love it. Absolutely love it. So I'm just going to pop it on the chair because I don't have anywhere else to put it. So I could not resist this stuff. When I saw it straight away, I had to have some. And I normally don't buy Sirdar because I find it overpriced, and I've seen this one before and I've coveted it, and it's the Sirdar #1 Aran Stonewash in this lovely lilac colour, and I just love it so much. It's called shade 0804. That's the point, I didn't tell you what shade this one was, did I? Let's just rewind and I will tell you. It is shade BM, that's Bravo Mike 2. That's all she wrote on there. So yeah, imaginatively titled. But look at this. I absolutely love this one. It is ridiculously soft. And I mean that. It just feels like, well, I don't know what it feels like. It just feels so soft. It's beautiful. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It's 50% acrylic and 50% nylon, 180 meters. What I ought to do is hold one up. That's the one I looked down. 180 meters, 197 yards approximately. So they are 100 gram skeins. And as I said, shade 0804. No imaginative title, just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I loved all of the colours in it, but this one I loved the most. So I got 1, 2, 3. This one was to come undone. 4. I thought I got more than 4. The young lady who helped me at the checkout made sure I picked all the same die numbers, because I'm dreadful at that. I just grab it all and then I get there and I say, oh, I don't know. So she went and checked it all out for me, but I've got a humongous bill. And I'm absolutely starving, actually. Really hungry. So I've got 4 of those, possibly, unless there's any more in the bag. Well, what else did I buy? And I absolutely fell in love with this stuff. Now, this is an Aran weight, and it's called Catch a Wave. And it is a HobbyCraft zone. I might have to drop it down again for some reason, because it's quite close to it. I suppose it's making it flare. But HobbyCraft's own Catch a Wave Aran. They are 50-gram balls, but look at those colours. Don't they just scream, please take me home with you. Buy me. You won't regret it. It is lovely and soft. It's really, really squishy. So let's just have a look and see if we can figure out. Probably told you in the shop. The length of this is 100 metres. And it's Aran weight. 50 grams skein. Material is 61% acrylic and 35% cotton and 4% polyester. But it is so soft. It's absolutely... Oh, and that smell. It smells like yarn. It just got an incredible smell. Absolutely. It reminds me of when you get... The last time I smelled anything like that was when I got new school uniform, which I hated, obviously, but that's what the smell reminds me of. So I got 1, 2, 3, brace yourself, 4, 5, 6. Most of the bag is full up with this. 6, 7, 8, 9. I thought I got 10. Oh my God, that is such a... I could sniff it. Isn't it beautiful? I just love that. Absolutely fell madly in love with that. So I just need to find a project now. And then, do you remember Gary showed me some sale bits at the beginning? And it was this, All Aboard, which again is their own brand. And it's falling apart, but it was up in the sale section. And it's got this really lovely dark stonewash part to it. And it just says fashion yarn. I would say it's a DK. Looking at it, I'd say it's a DK. Not the fattest of DKs, I will add, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So let's find one that's least falling apart. Let's see what it says. So the yarn length, not the larn length, is 130 meters. It's hand washable and you can't tumble dry it. It is navy. I'd agree with that. It is kind of navy. And All Aboard, which is kind of an apt name. Just says fashion yarn, so it doesn't like to tell you. 54% cotton and 46% viscose. Lovely and soft. Absolutely lovely and soft. But I really like... Sorry about Gary drilling. I like this colour. You know, normally when you get a stone washed, it is the lighter shades like this one. But this one is a darker. And love it. I absolutely love it. So, didn't get the pink. Found it a little bit too pink for me. A little bit too fuchsia-y coloured. So, as you know, those of you who've seen my sleepwalk yarn haul, that obviously where I couldn't sleep and I was suffering from sleep deprivation, even though I had lots of yarn at the time, I still made another order and I managed to get myself some Feels Like Butter. So I bought this pinky colour. They only had 2 skeins of it. This one doesn't feel as soft, which is weird. I think it's just the way it's wound. But I got 1, 2 of these. It's a lovely colour though, a lovely kind of dusky pink, and it's funny enough called Dusty Pink. Oh well, at least it's you know, I agree with that colour because I didn't see that. 200 no, sorry, 215 is the shade, I think. Doesn't say. It's 140 meters, but it is well soft. Feels so silky, just beautiful. Doesn't feel quite as beautiful on this one. Very strange. Oh, I'm sorry if you heard that. That is my tummy. I do apologise. So what else did I get? You probably guessed it. I had to get it. I had to get this. This is just my all-time favourite of theirs. Now, 50-gram balls, 50 grams, and they are. Groove is in the yarn. I've had it before. It's fashion yarn. I've used it. It's an Aran to me, and 90 meters in total. And I did go a little to town. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because I just love it so much. I had to have it. Last time they had this one, it's called Rainbow. Last time they had this, they sold out, and they had something like 2 or thereabouts skeins, and then I managed to find another one later on. I'm really hugging this. And I made a pair of gloves with it. No, a hat. I made a hat, and I wanted more to make sort of more stuff with it. I made Crystal from Bag a Day's hat. So yeah, I really wanted to carry on and make more stuff. So thankfully I have it, and I just got one of these because I seem to always, whenever I go, buy one of these. And I have some black sparkly yarn that I wanted to make. I wanted to make a shawl with, and so I don't know. This kind of took my eye. Maybe to do like a mile a minute kind of wrap with it. I don't know, with the black. So what is this? Half upside down. Shade 222 and 95% acrylic, 5% polyester. That's funny. They usually say Lurex or something, don't they? Metallic. Doesn't say. But these are 100 grams. It's Hayfield bonus glitter. Extra value DK, which is a 3 weight. Anything else on here? Machine washable. And yeah, I like that. I've had that before. So yeah, I adore this, and it smells good too. It smells like that other yarn. It's so lovely. I love it. Love it so much. So let me see. Is there anything I haven't told you on here? So yeah, it's called Rainbow Mix, and it's 75% acrylic and 25% wool. It's just adorable. It's really soft, and there's nothing rough at all about that wool content. And they just call it fashion yarn, but I have used it, and I'd say it looks like a DK, but the fluff makes it a little bit more Aran, and it's quite unspun. Doesn't have very, you know, some things are really, really spun, and I enjoyed working with it a lot. Beautiful, just beautiful. So that is my yarn haul. There were others that I really liked there, and I walked past them, and then when I went back I couldn't really see them, so I didn't get them. But I think I spent enough, to be fair, considering that I don't have anywhere to put it. And this is odd. You kind of scrunch it and you feel like it doesn't spring back. It's got a very odd kind of feel to it. It's kind of dense. It doesn't spring back. It's weird, but I like it. Weird, but I like it. So yeah, got a few different Lion brands. There was a cake that a mandala that I really loved, but I didn't get it. It was a bit on the expensive side. And I kept looking and thinking, I really want that one. I want that one. And I had to keep telling myself, you can come back. You don't have to get everything in one big go. So but these I'm going to I think I might have to cake these, or at least just try and sort them out, because I don't want them to tangle. So they're kind of well kind of wound. Just need to wind them up, I think, this way, and getting stuck on my camera lead microphone. So yeah, maybe I will cake them. I've got my wool winder, and that might stop it from happening again. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my shopping. I'm a bit out of practice, remember, so I was a little here and there, and I've just seen the driftwood one. That was the one that I really liked and I didn't get, so I might have to go back for driftwood. Oh, I love this. It smells so good. So thank you so much for watching. And now I'm stuck the magnetic part of my watch strap. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and definitely will have to go back for all those ones that I did like and I didn't get. So I definitely need my yarn room now, don't I? Really have to get Gary's in there doing the kitchen. Next stop is a little bit of the bathroom and then the yarn room, so that would be cool. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you all a bit later on, or tomorrow. Not sure if I'm going to pop on and do a live stream or not, but we shall see. Thank you. Bye for now, everyone.